Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable automatic time zone detection on MacBook Air. To do this, we'll need to open our system settings, then head on to the general and enter date and time. Inside you can find the time zone and you can enable automatic time zone right there. So enter the password for the account, unlock it, and here open privacy settings and allow location services. Then I think we can go back to the general and date and time and enable it again. And as you can see, it detects and changes it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.